Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm so excited to be back doing videos, and y'all have always seemed to love my speed clean videos and all that. So we're gonna do that today, more of organizing and stuff around the house. Definitely in the kitchen. I'm going to, I picked all of these organizers up right here from Walmart because I want to organize the inside of my kitchen drawers because it's been giving me anxiety, as well as put my flour, my oatmeal and stuff in different containers. So let's just hop on into it. I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more videos like this, then let me know down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Your taste in tunes and everything you ooze, the tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll, no rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me, so reach out and love, and don't be a stranger.
Alright, so this one is a lot more organized than it was before. I feel so much better about it. Now it's time to do this one. Alright, so this one is a heck of a lot more organized.
Free Can't you keep it to yourself for once? Oh, I think I found a new way out, way beyond your shadow doubt. And I can't breathe. Oh, I hope you're keeping count of all the times you let me down, and all the things you said out loud, the bullshit I could cry about. And I know we could be stronger now, and leave it up to fate somehow. But everything I do for me. Oh. So dark and cold-hearted, I'm breathless to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. I'm only one step from dying. My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. To kill it. Just let me fall to my